Hello everyone, it's Jhimm. We're back again with another painting. This is going to be Margarita number 4. The background music is my son Jason's song titled The Salesman. It's one of his latest songs. It's available on Bandcamp, as you could see in the frame before. So again, we're laying out the picture. Lay it out with pencil. And draw it all out, get it ready to go, and we'll be taping as we did there. Eliminate the tedious video of taping. It takes probably an hour to tape it, get it all just right. There'll be a lot of pink in this picture. The character's going to have a long nose, be hanging right over his glass. Nice sunny day down here in Florida today. Temperature's about 68 degrees right now, and it's around 12:30. Tried to keep these videos as short as possible. Mainly make these videos for people that purchase the painting. I always thought, I have several paintings by other people, but there's no videos of them making it anywhere, and I always thought it'd be nice to have a video of the painting being made, that you can, show people. This is a soft oil pastel. Just kind of rub it in after you put it on. Comes out pretty nice. I use this on the glass bottom and also be using it on the lime up above, as you will see, and also on the nose. Also be using the oil pastels on the fingers. Also on the edge of this pink here too, you can see. Again with the lamp black border. Seems to contrast nice with the pink, all the pink in the painting. Again, here you can see I'm using the oil pastels along the edges of the hand. Stuck them up pretty nice. Enjoyed it. Just gonna sign it. Let it dry thoroughly. Then we'll varnish it and be ready to go. It's already on eBay right now under Patricia's Art Emporium. I appreciate everybody who's purchased and everybody who watches these videos. I hope you all have a great day. Drink your Margarita in moderation. Subscribe, comment, thumbs up, and ring the bell. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hello everybody, it's Jhimm. And this is painting called Margarita number 4. And it's 18 by 24. And it'll be available on Patricia's Art Emporium on eBay. And I hope you like it, and I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and give us a thumbs up, and maybe ring the bell. Have a great day, all. Bye-bye.